Hello class 11. Today I am going to start with this new chapter. It is in your reduced syllabus. Okay. It is chapter number 19, excretory products and their elimination in unit human physiology. Okay, first chapter in unit human physiology is done. That is completed. That is digestive system. Now today I am going to start with this unit, that is human physiology. Now new chapter is chapter number 19, excretory products and their elimination. Okay. Now as you know, a variety of waste products are formed in animals during metabolic activities of the body. These products become toxic or harmful if retained for prolonged periods of or exceed certain concentration limits. A large volume of carbon dioxide and water is produced by the metabolism of carbohydrate, fats and protein. Carbon dioxide is easily eliminated as a gas by respiration, and so also some water in the form of water vapor in the expired air. Nitrogen waste such as ammonia, urea and uric acid. Nitrogen waste such as urea, ammonia, urea and uric acid is according to the amino. Okay, etc. are derived mainly from proteins or from the purines and pyrimidine bases of the nucleic acid and some other nitrogenous compounds. Since these wastes are non-volatile, they have to be eliminated from the body in aqueous solution or suspension. Elimination of excess of vitamins, hormones and inorganic salts is also required. Moreover, to prevent the dilution of the body fluid, it is also necessary to eliminate the excess water from the body. The non-volatile solutes and water are mainly eliminated in urine. ठीक है, क्या यूरिन में एलिमिनेट होता है? दैट इज नॉन वोलेटाइल सॉल्यूट्स एंड वाटर आर मेनली एलिमिनेटेड इन यूरिन. ओके, दैट ऑर्गन्स कंसर्न्ड विद द फॉर्मेशन, स्टोरेज एंड एलिमिनेशन. ठीक है, नाउ ऑर्गन कंसर्न्ड विद फॉर्मेशन, ओके, फॉर्मेशन एंड storage and elimination of urine constitute the urinary system, and the process of the removal of these waste product mainly nitrogenous waste from the body is known as excretion. Here are two definitions. First one is what is urinary system? What is urinary system? And the second definition, that is excretion. ठीक है, what is urinary system? The organ concerned with, okay, the formation, storage and elimination of the urine constitute the urinary system, and the second, the process of removal of these waste product mainly nitrogenous waste from the body is called excretion. Importance of excretion. Now first one, that is importance of excretion. Importance of excretion. Excretion plays an important role in maintain the homeostatic condition. Which condition? Homeostatic condition of the body. Failure of excretory system result in accumulation of the waste product leading to disturbance in osmoregulation, ionic regulation, acid-base balance and ultimately to death. Okay, excretory products in animal. Excretory products in animals. Excretory products in animals. First one, carbon dioxide, CO2. Second is excess water and mineral. Excess water, not water, excess water and mineral salts. And the third one, that is bile pigment. Bile pigments. And the next one, nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous wastes, like first one, nitrogenous waste, that is ammonia. Second is urea, and third one is uric acid. All three include in the nitrogenous waste. And TAMO, trimethylamine oxide. Next one, that is TAMO, full form trimethylamine oxide, and guanine, creatine and creatine. Okay. And next one, that is guanine. And last one, that is creatine and creatinine. Okay. All are the nitrogenous product or excretory products in animals. First one is CO2, as you know, produced during the cellular respiration and carried out to the surface, respiratory surface, where it simply diffuses out. Now second one, water and mineral salts. These are lost in a controlled manner, usually through a specialized excretory and osmoregulatory organ such as the kidney in vertebrates. Now third one, that is bile pigments. These are breakdown products of hemoglobin. In mammals, they are excreted by the liver in the bile juice and eliminated with the feces. Now next one, that is nitrogenous waste. These are formed by the breakdown of the amino acid. Nitrogenous waste किसके breakdown से बनते हैं? That is amino acids. Okay. And organism remove them in three forms. First one, ammonia. Second is urea, and third is uric acid. Now first one, ammonia is highly toxic and never allowed to accumulate in living cells. It is soluble, readily diffusible and secreted in dilute form by freshwater animals and marine invertebrates. Animal excreted ammonia are said to be aminotelic. ठीक है, जो एनिमल्स अमोनिया एक्सक्रीट करते हैं उन एनिमल्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? aminotelic. ओके, aminotelic मीन्स एक्सक्रीटेड अमोनिया. हम क्या एक्सक्रीट करते हैं? दैट इज यूरिया. तो वी आर यूरियोटेलिक. वी आर यूरियोटेलिक, यानी कि हमारा यूरिन में मैक्सिमम क्या होता है? यूरिया होता है. तो वी आर यूरियोटेलिक. यूरियोटेलिक. एंड थर्ड वन इज यूरिक एसिड रिमूव करते हैं, दैट इज यूरिकोटेलिक. दैट इज यूरिकोटेलिक. इट इज अ 1 marks क्वेश्चन. Differentiate between the uriotelic and uricoteric and define aminotelic. Means animals which excrete out ammonia is called aminotelic, animals which excrete out urea is uricoteric, and animals which excrete out uric acid is called uricoteric. Okay. Now next one, that is trimethylamine oxide, TAMO. Some marine teleost, squid, crabs and branchials excrete TAMO. Is an important nitrogenous end product. It is also a nitrogenous end product. Now next one is guanine. Majority of spider excrete. ठीक है, spider excrete nitrogenous predominantly as guanine. Guanine is even less soluble than uric acid and so required no or very little water for its elimination. Now next one is creatine. Creatine is more important energy compound in the muscles. Its excess is either converted into the creatine for excretion or it may be eliminated as such.